Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to present you how you can append or concatenate all your different Excel sheets data in a one master sheet now. So if you are closely observe this data set which I have opened in front of you, this has multiple Excel sheets. So one is belongs towards the Germany, Canada, United States, Mexico, France, and India. And also, if we will be closely reviewing all the different columns, so the Germany sheet also has the same number of columns as we can review with the other country sheets like Canada. If I just open, so this also has the same number of columns. And if I just open for the United States of America, which also has the same number of columns. And the similar way, the Mexico, France, and India. So now the business requirement will be how we can append or concatenate all these data sets different in a one master sheets. So without wasting your time, I'm just quickly go towards my data and if I just come here and if I just come here from the form and file to get data, there are the different options. So if I just click here in the work from Excel sheet, so this is the data sets which I just opened now. You just need to import it, and after importing you will be able to get all your data sets. So Canada data sets belongs towards their number of rows, and the France and all the data you can see now. So at the top of the list there is a option. If you just select here, so the system will be grant access that we can select the multiple sheets as per our own expectations. So after selecting these sheets, you just need to click here in the transform the data. And after transforming the data, I am getting all the different sheets data sets now. So this is the time I'm going to introduce you the append query. So I am getting the France, Germany, India, and all the data sets. So if I just click here in the append query, there are two options: append queries and append query as a new. So if I just click here append query as a new, so system will be presenting the Power Query, the two different options. The one is the we can append the two sheets, or if we are looking forward for appending the multiple sheets, so what we can do now, we just need to select the second option. And one of my sheet is already selected, and I'm going to select my all the different sheets. So you just need to click on shift button and press your mouse, and then you just need to click for the add button. And once you're done with all your selection, then you just need to click here in the OK button. And how easily within a few clicks I am getting all my expected data sets now, which has all the data which previously presenting my different sheets now. So if I just need to load this data set in my targeted sheet now, so you just need to click here in the close and load. And now you would like to be able to see, like if I just click here, and there are multiple sheets are there now, so you will be able to get your master sheets in the append one name now. So if I just click here, so this sheet append name which we just created has all the master data now, which belongs towards the different sheets. And you can change the layout format as well while clicking on your design. There are the different option is there now. If I just click here in the insert or page layout, formula, view, and table design, if I just click here this one, so the various way whatever you like, you can select your design as well. And that is the way you can append the data and present it to your business owners. Or you can also change the name. Let's say if I just double click here now in this tab, I would like to say master sheet now. So this master sheet will be presented to the business owner who has shared with you this business requirement. Thank you very much for watching this session.